Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zshakira. If you are here for the first time, welcome. If you're one of my subscribers, welcome on back. Today's video, I got a new product and it is a new brand. I have not heard of this brand, but that doesn't mean that it's not been around. It's just new to me. I might be new to the party, but I wanted to do a review on it because it has meaning behind it. There's something more to it, and I love whenever there's a little bit more going on behind the reasoning for any product or anything like that. I just love it. I don't have on any falsies today. I usually put on lashes. These are actually my lashes, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got them. Really quickly, any of you out there who have not subscribed yet, I welcome you to. Everyone watching, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that bell so you will know as soon as I upload. Those of you who watch me know I have crazy lashes. They cannot be tamed, but I actually like the way these look today. So if you want to see how I got these beautiful, everyday, lovely lashes, keep on watching. All right, for this amazing product that I am getting ready to review and try for the first time, I was really excited because not only is it just exciting to, you know, have a new makeup brand that maybe you haven't tried before, maybe you'll run into something that you'll like. It's also exciting for me because this actual product it's just something I've always wanted to try. Many of you guys have probably seen it before, whether it was an Instagram ad.
Whoa, look at that length, guys. It's 4 times longer.
Somewhere you've probably seen.
This is insane.
I know, I can't wait to get my hands on this, and honestly, if this works, this is going to be a shook moment, and this is definitely going to be a game changer for me. The cosmetic line today that I'm going to be trying out is Thrive Causemetics. I love it because it's cosmetics, as in there's a cause. Basically, there's a very amazing story behind this. I'm just going to look this up really quick. ThriveCosmetics.com is their website if you guys want to check them out. But just really quickly to touch on it, because I love when people have a really good why and they have a meaning behind what they're doing. If you guys watched my question video, and I'll link that for you guys, the question video, someone asked me something and I said, if you have a why, you will get through it. It will help you. Under our story on the website, the very first thing that they say is, we're changing the beauty industry for good, and I love that. Thrive Cosmetics was born out of a friendship. Makeup artist and product developer Carissa Bodnar, or either Bodnar, lost her dear friend Chrissy to cancer at just 24 years old. Chrissy's passionate and vivacious spirit inspired Carissa to establish Thrive Causemetics, a beauty brand and philosophy that goes beyond skin deep by empowering women. I just think this is so awesome. So a couple of weeks back, my mother went to the KJLH Women's Health Expo that they have every year. I wasn't able to go, but she grabbed me a couple of things, and this was one of them. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and this is for volume and length, and this has the Orchid Stem Cell Complex. This stuck out to me right away because of the packaging. The packaging just right away got me. And then honestly, cosmetics, I mean, you kind of just can't not pay attention to that. It's clever, there's meaning behind it. I'm all for that. So that is how I got this. So the Orchid Stem Cell Complex, I'm assuming this is where, and I know you guys have seen this before, if you haven't, it's very interesting, you can actually extend your lashes. Like, your actual lashes just can get longer and longer and longer.
This is insane.
Now, I've only seen this in like little videos and ads and clips and stuff like that, but I wanted to try it. So that's why I'm super excited that my mom happened to get that. I mean, it was just by chance. I wasn't with her. I didn't know, how the day went. She just gave me what she gave me, but this one really got me excited. I do have a couple of liners from them. So I got 3. This is their Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner. This one is Talia. This one is like a dark blue. You guys can kind of see that. It's like a dark blue. And I'm not sure, but on the end here, I don't know if that is rubber or like silicone, but I'm assuming you can do kind of like a smudge look. So that's pretty interesting. But yeah, this one is Talia. That one's a dark blue. The next one that I have, which is a very beautiful purple, this is called Juliana. That's how that looks right there. You guys can kind of see a little bit. It's like a darker purple. Really pretty. And I'll definitely be using these in probably some following videos. And the last one that I have is called Naily, and this one is a brown, and it looks like that. So definitely excited to use those in other later videos, but the butter of this video, the gooey fun part that I cannot wait to try, is this Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Okay, so my makeup is already done. I didn't want to do anything to my face. I just wanted to get right to it. I just want to see how this works. Okay, let's go. So opening this up, oh how cute. You guys, this is, oh it's too cute. They are killing me with the packaging. This is fire. This is so fire. I feel like if I were to come out with a makeup line, like, yeah. This is awesome. Love it. It's super heavy and like it's got some weight to it, so I'm assuming it's quality product and quality making. Let's see what the brush tip looks like. Okay, so this is pretty much, you know, what you would normally see in any other, you know, brush. I do like that it's the short hair and it's kind of like that, not rubbery feel, but it's kind of like that different, it's not the bristles. I don't like the bristles, so that's really good. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little bit closer because as the mascara is giving me some long lashes, I want you guys to really see how this works. Okay, we are super close. I don't think I've ever gotten this close and personal with you guys. So here we are. All right, now let's go in with the mascara. This is the moment of truth. Let me make sure all of my hair and everything is out of the way. I want you guys to see this. Okay, so now I don't have anything on my eyes, so let's just go in and let's just see how this works. Now, as that first coat is there, I am going to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. Sometimes, you know, maybe you should let it dry and things like that. So as far as the directions say, to use, you start with the wand at the base of your lashes and move outward towards the tip. So there is no instruction on waiting or anything like that. So this first coat is there. Now I'm just gonna go in again. Getting any longer. And the interesting thing is I have really curly lashes, so I'm also seeing how this is reacting. It's actually bringing my lashes together, which is not easy to do. Like, I have really crazy lashes, so really interesting. Okay, I'm gonna keep going here. Not exactly the extension that I was thinking.
This is insane.
I was thinking this was more along the lines of an actual extender.
This is insane.
This is not quite giving me that. So that is the second coat. But as far as just mascara is concerned, it really is a good mascara. It does say that it promotes lash growth. So I don't know if it's like maybe over time, but if I thought it was the instant one. So that's kind of what I was excited about, but either way, I am always in the market for a new mascara. And so far, this one, honestly, it gels together really good with my curls. My lashes are just the most curly, and I love when I find mascaras that really tame that, really make them come together, and also that are a good prep for falsies. I love falsies, but this looks like this could be a really good mascara for even every day or days where I'm not wearing falsies. I'm gonna put some on the bottom. Let's try that too. I know that also gives a nice dramatic look. Sometimes when you have it on the bottom, it's like super, ooh, that kind of adds a lot of volume there. All right. Okay, I'm not mad. This is like a nice, good everyday look. I would 100% do this. I wanted to do my makeup just very simple, and I think this is really good. You guys are going to a meeting or whatever, right? This is super good. Alrighty, so this is with and this is without, and honestly, I think this looks really, really good. And I feel like I did find a new product that I really love. My bottom lash, fire. You know what I mean? That bottom row is amazing. The top is super curly, like I say, and it is what it is, but I would definitely wear this on like a daily basis. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll come right back. Alrighty, this is the look with both of the lashes done. And you guys, I gotta admit, this is really good. I'm loving the way this came out. Honestly, I did think it was gonna be the super duper crazy long lashes.
This is insane.
Like I really thought it was that. So I wasn't for sure, but I was like, I have to try. But I'm super happy that I did find a new mascara today. If you guys are interested in getting this, this is the Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. This retails for $24 on Thrive Causemetics.com. Super cute. Thank you so much for tuning in to this quick video. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And as always, you guys, no matter what's going on out there, find your frequency and feel good.
Survive.